morning, everybody. I don't know if the music's gonna be loud, so I might have to do a voiceover. But today I'm with my dad only. This is our view, and we woke up early and got ready early because we're going to an excursion in Puerto Vallarta. I forgot the name of it. I'll answer the name here, but it's gonna be a long day. I think it's 6 hours in total, and it's gonna be high excursion, high intensity. So it's gonna be very exciting. Once you get geared up, you're going to take some pictures. They do not allow any phones, GoPros, cameras to go on with you. You could buy them at the end because there's someone tagging along with you that just takes pictures. I felt very safe throughout this whole process. There was about 3 or 4 guys who were with us the entire time who were experts. They knew everything. They spoke English. They spoke Spanish, so there was no problem with that. So the first thing you start off with is a mule ride. These mules are very intelligent. They know the course. You don't have to really guide them too much. Just a little tug when they want to sometimes they want to pass other mules and sometimes they want to go slower or faster, so it really depends on the mule. This was very steep, very inclined. You have to really be careful because you could fall off very easily. Amigo! Señorita! You're gonna zip line a couple of zip lines. You walk a little bit and then you will zip line. walk another bit, and then you'll zip line again. Along with the zip line, there's also roller coaster zip line at the end. There's repelling and treetop adventures. Basically, you're just flying through like 9 zip lines, you're rappelling through waterfalls, you're traveling through canopy tour jungle bridges, and you'll splash through streams and natural pools of water. After ziplining, we rappelled waterfalls. So here's the probably my best experience ever. As you could see, we're like 90 degrees against the rocks, and my dad actually slipped, which is kind of funny, but you don't have to worry. You can see there's people on the bottom of you and people on the top that are making sure that you're nice and secure, so you don't have to worry about slipping or falling. If you do, they'll catch you.
Hold your breath. Plug your nose. Tus lentes. Agarra tus lentes. ¡Y sí los agarró! ¡Qué chulada! Pero dice la boca, hay agua. Ahí viene el agua, mija, el agua. Amiga, ¿qué pasó?
Next is roller coaster zip line. This is actually the best experience. Is basically ziplining but with the thrills of a roller coaster. You're going up, down, turns, left, right, and then you land in cold water. This was really fun. As you can see here, I have no upper body strength to do this, but this was my favorite experience ever. I've never done anything like this. I've done ziplining, but this was just a different experience. There's also a couple of water slides you go throughout the course. However, there's one that's the finale. It's actually called Water Slide Splash, and it's the highest water slide drop in Mexico. That's what they say. We just finished. Dad, what did you think about it?
Estuvo lo máximo. Nunca había experimentado algo así.
It was crazy. I'm gonna explain it later, but right now we're gonna go to our included barbecue lunch. This is like where you first enter and get all your stuff.
It's back to the home. I think it was better than Scarlet.
Yeah, this was on another level.
I don't want to share with you. That's how.
My mom's panicking. But the thing is still there. Yeah, once the rails once they go up.
Probably the last ones.
We're coming back, but it's like crunch time right now. But once those rails go up, no one's getting back on that boat. My mom, she's rushing. It's so funny. I don't think these patterns match.
Huh?
These milk patterns don't match.
So what?
This is for... Oh, they're looking at me. Tastes like pulled pork.
You on? You on?
Guess what? Yeah.
You on? Take it away from me.
Try it.
Guess what they had today? They had a turkey. A big turkey there. I'm not.
Very good, but too sweet.
They had.
The best part of this year, of this day, is that we went to an excursion.
We did it.
I thought I wasn't gonna make it at the end. I was gonna chicken out, but I said I can't.
I can chicken out, so we did a awesome excursion. My daughter and I, and also I saw my brother, my two sisters, my two sisters, and my sister-in-law and my nephew who live in Mexico and Guadalajara, and also being here having dinner.
We're spending time with my sister. We had so much fun. We went shopping. We had breakfast together. We had lunch together. And now we're having dinner. And I enjoy Puerto Vallarta. We did a lot of sightseeing. And I'm just so excited because I was able to see my in-laws. I appreciate them for coming. I appreciate my nephew for bringing my in-laws to Puerto Vallarta. Even though we were able to spend like a couple of hours, but I know it meant a lot for my husband. And I'm so excited to be here with my sister, my husband, and my daughter. I wish my son was here. My favorite part of the day was also spending the day with my sister, having breakfast together, having lunch together, and especially shopping and taking pictures with her is a memory that I'll always have, especially because now I don't live close to her, but thank you God for allowing me to have this special day with her. And also meeting my brother-in-law's family, it was very special. My favorite part of the day is going to be a little similar to my dad's. I think for the excursion, if I had to pick a favorite moment, it was being repelling down a waterfall, which was absolutely crazy. And seeing my dad in the front, just laying off flat on the rock, because he wasn't paying attention to instructions. That was so funny. They were scrambling to try to help you, because they didn't know how. They couldn't pull you back up with the rope. And then also seeing my tias and my tios and my cousin. So I hadn't seen them in a long time, so it was nice to just be in their being in their same space, especially because I love seeing how my dad interacts with them. And after not being there for such a long time, it was really sweet, and I wish that we had more time together, but unfortunately we didn't.